Hi, how are you? Okay, my name is Mariano. I will try to explain my project for the machine learning project for Coursera. I will try to give my best effort. Sorry for my English, I am not a native speaker, but I will try to make me understand. Okay, now I am showing you the Python code that I use to develop this model. I have to resolve the situation that I have to predict uh, one target to resolve this problem for a energy station. I have different features that are temperatures, atmospheric pressures, and other features, and I have a target that I have to predict. In the first step, I import every library that I have to use in this project, and then I import the data that I have in a CSV, which I have for the project in that Coursera give us. I read the CSV, and then I separate the data in train data and test data. Uh, I did it for to have two different parts of data for different uses. Then I selected the features and the target, and then I continued separating the data. And in this case, I use two models. The first model is a linear regression, and the second model is a random forest regression. Why I use a regression in both of case? Because we have to predict something that we have features and we have target. So with this data, we can predict a continuous line when we combine or mix this data. So I use a regression models for that. In this case, I use these two models, and then I try to evaluate the model with metrics that we use a lot in machine learning. There are R2 score and mean squared error. Then I will try to compare it, or yes, compare these two models, and I use two tools or two steps to compare that. First, I use a linear. I compare with a linear comparison. I don't know if it's okay that. And then I use a cross validation to compare that. Uh, Now I will show the results because this is only code. I have the results of the model that the mean square error it's 20. It's not a very big error, it's okay. And the R2 score in this case is very near to 1. The objective is uh, stay more near that you can for to 1. So in both of case, the model is very good. But in this comparison, when I compare with its tool, I can see that the forest random forest is better. And now I graphic that, and we can see a regression lineal. And in the random forest, we can see the same, but with another data. Then I use the cross validation to compare that, and we have similar results. In this case, I think that the results are better for the random forest too. So I will choose the random forest like the final model to use. Then I finished that project using one data frame. I give some data to this model and predict that. I give the features, And I know that the target is for 453, but I give the features only to the model, and then I will see the results. With the first model, the linear regression, we have 449, and with the random forest, we have 452. So we can see that the random forest is more near than the linear regression to the real result. So I conclude that the random forest is the model that I have to use. Okay, this is all for today. Again, sorry for my English. I am trying to do my USC for. I know maybe I have a lot of mistakes, but if that I got, sorry. Okay, see you.